Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitch with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Sunday and a great weekend. Well, as you can see, today we have an unbagging. That means we have a review, so let's find out what is in this big, thick bag. Oh my goodness. We have cross stitch. Give me a sec. Get it opened up wide enough to pull it out. Maybe. All right, we have two stamped cross-stitch kits, and these come from the VIPCrossStitch store. This is going to be part 1, so if they have any discount codes or any specials going on, it'll be right in here, and if I have any discount codes, it'll also be here and in the description box below. So we're going to save this one for next time. And we have this big, huge, thick bag. Let me get this out of the bag. I'll be right back. All right, I am back. Can you ever? This is 11 count. It is cotton. It is 150 by 66 centimeters. Is that not stunning? Just look at the pinks and the reds and the oranges and the greens. Oh my goodness, I just absolutely love the way this looks. Just love it. And it'll take forever to get it done. This is a Mona Lisa cross stitch. Now I have that it was $35.27, but this comes in cotton or silk, so your choice. And I believe the silk was the $35.27. I think this is more like $27. So I will put the correct price of this in the description below when I list it with its product number, or not product number, product link. But yeah, can you just look at all these colors? Yeah, and I wanted this in cotton because I knew that the silk was just not going to get done. Now it does come with instruction page, full page, just same instructions that's on and in lots of kits out there, but very nice, very easy to read since it's so big, just on one side. So if you've never done this before, I wouldn't suggest buying this. Just start with something small. Yeah, all right. So this says Classical Cross Stitch. It is a fairly thick book. Here's the product number. It's 600 by 240 stitches. Doesn't say about the 19 count, or the 19 count. Oh, we are having a day, aren't we? The 9 count. I'm trying to figure out how to open this. This is all one big thing, but it is separated out. So you fold it down, you know, however, to do one section if you wanted to do it that way. I usually just kind of leave it, and then if I need to refer to what is that symbol or that symbol, I will look it up individually and leave it all as a booklet. And is that not the edge? No? Okay. Well, we might find a way to open this. I guess. Oh, I see. Oh, you're going to love this. So, it folds in the middle. Oh, my goodness. Nice big pattern, though. Very easy to see symbols. Paper pattern will not match the canvas. And it is, I don't see if it doesn't really say that it, you know how some of them are squared out, you know, this is part 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not doing this. It's just starting at one edge. This is kind of the middle of the picture. I'm going to flip it. And, oh my goodness, this paper is big. So this is maybe one edge. And it does have the gridding. So sorry, I gotta move my pot. It's always in the way. the gridding down the side and across the top, so you'll know exactly where you're at and what part it is on the grid. I'm going to fold this all up because this is kind of a pain. So, it has 45 colors, no backstitch, no half, no outlines, or no backstitch, no half stitch, no French knots, none of that. It's just straight cross stitch. And you could embellish this however you wanted to. Let's take a look at the colors. We have 310 black. We have 498 red. No 550 purple. We have 554. And we have no 666 red. We have some red to pink colors here for all these beautiful, beautiful flowers. Anything else I know? We have 823, no 939, no 3371. We have that, what is it, pewter color, that 3799. So it kind of looks like a black. And we're using 3865 for the white. And there may be other lighter colors in there. So we will take a look. This is a huge canvas. It is serged all the way around, by the way, before I forget to say that. Let's see what comes in here. This is all folded in. We do have a toolkit. We have 3 needles, football thimble, and needle threader. Now, on some of these Mona Lisas, there are 2 in the canvas. We'll find them here in a minute. We have a full bag of extra threads. Are they not stunning? Pinks, teals, yellows, dark blue. There's 310 black. There's probably that 554, maybe. Just guessing. Beautiful, gorgeous, gorgeous. Ah, can you ever? This is going to get its own bag. And you know today we will be starting this. Yeah, because I can't wait. I just cannot wait. Okay, let me get everybody untangled. I'm going to use the white of that background so you can see these gorgeous, luscious colors. Got some brown. And there is your 3865. So there's not much white in this. But there is a pale yellow. Look at that blue. And those teals. Oh, gorgeous. But this one is the piece of la resistance. Oranges, pinks. Oranges, yellow. 823. Beautiful. Beautiful colors. There's that pink. And since there's only one thread there, here, there, maybe there, and a little bit on this, that means that there's an extra skein in that bag over there. Just beautiful, gorgeous colors. Just want to take a bath in them. They're just gorgeous. Just gorgeous and very nice, very soft. Just absolutely lovely. Isn't that gorgeous? Looks like a rainbow. Just gorgeous. Okay, we're going to lay these. Got a straggler. We're going to put it up there. And we're going to take a look, hopefully, at the canvas. I'm looking on edges to see if there's extra needles. So far, I'm not seeing any on that side. Maybe there isn't. Maybe not. Okay, so this is going to be fairly wide. And it won't... Let me just tip it this way. Oh, there goes everybody. They're jumping ship. I wanted to show you the key and part of the canvas. Let me fold it in half. Hang on. Just so it'll manage more on my table. But look how big that key is. Very nice, big, huge symbols. They're probably a ½ inch each one, but very nicely done. Very big, beautiful areas. Oh, just gorgeous. So there's going to be a lot of, oops, big areas in this. I don't know. There's a little bit of confetti there. You can see, but it kind of runs in swirls, so it's not horrible. And this is that lovely canvas that just crunches as you work. It doesn't spring back and is so stiff. I just can't handle that. Just absolutely gorgeous. Easy to see symbols. Just stunning. The whole kit is just yummy. I'm drooling. I know. Let me see if I can open it up a bit. But nice big areas. Kind of like made like what do you call it? European town is what I meant. You know, where there's bigger areas to stitch and not so much confetti, but just gorgeous. I'll just try to open this up bit by bit. Crap. That is not going to work. And of course, all I got is that short light. But just such easy stitching. And like I said, if you want to add any embellishments to it, you go to it. I mean, it's your kit. It's, you know, what you're doing. And, you know, not everybody has the same vision of what they want it to look like. So, go for it. But I can't believe how bright and clear that is. Oh, this is going to be a dream to stitch. Yep. Sorry I can't measure it, but you're just going to have to take my word for it that it's 150. It's huge. 150 by, what was that, 60? I can't remember right off the bat, but I'm going to fold it. It does have 600 by, what was that, 240 at the bottom, but not how big it is. So, not in centimeters. That's just your stitches. So, very nice. And if we discover other things on the way to stitching it, all the better. Because it's a journey. It's a journey. That is all that I got from VIP for this part. Part 2 will be next Sunday. And VIP Cross Stitch does not have diamond painting or paint by number. They only have, like, they have beaded embroidery, and that's not just the little, what do you call it, key things. They now have the beaded embroidery pictures, so that's lovely. And they have tools and crafts, and the amount of stuff there, it's just, in a way, it's kind of mind-boggling, but it's something for everybody. So do take a look at their site. Thank you, VIP Cross Stitch, for this gorgeous kit. I love it. And I love it even more that I got it in cotton, because I'm just not the silk enthusiast. I mean, I can do it, but it just takes a little bit. So I'm so thrilled that this comes. You have a choice. I'm very happy that you have a choice. Thank you for joining me today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless.